Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, your numerologist and life coach. Today I have brought a very new topic in this channel through this video. The topic is soul numbers. Yes, soul numbers. What are these soul numbers? How do we derive them? How do we place them in the birth chart? Do we have these soul numbers in our birth chart, or we don't have those soul numbers in our birth chart? All these things I'm going to unveil in this video. So let's talk about that. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you can be notified on my upcoming videos, and share this video with your friends, family, so that everybody can be benefited out of it. So let's talk about soul numbers. We have 9 numbers in the birth chart, 1 to 9. Among these, only 2 numbers are called soul numbers. This is basically the life of the birth chart. Your energy, your factor, your success rate, everything is dependent on these numbers. Your relationship sector, your money sector, your career sector, everything is very, very much dependent on these 2 numbers. I would say that without which you can be a 0, and with these 2 numbers you can be a hero. But don't worry, if you don't have these 2 numbers in your birth chart, I'll tell you how to activate them. So let's talk about soul numbers in detail. The first soul number is number 6, and the second soul number is number 5. There are 2 soul numbers in your birth chart. One is number 6 and the other one is number 5. Now you will say that I have both. I have 5, 6 both in my birth chart, but still I'm not successful. I'm not getting that desired success what I'm supposed to get. Nothing great is happening in my life. Nothing extraordinary I'm doing in my life. And my dear friends, there's nothing wrong in your birth chart. There's nothing wrong in your birth date which God has given you. It must be something wrong with you, either in your wrong profession, or you have set a wrong goal for yourself. You're not aligned with your role, goal, and so many factors can be there, because of which you're not getting your desired success. Then you have to retrospect and revisit your role, goal selection. And suppose if you're not having this 5, 6 in your date of birth, then I'll tell you how to boost that, how to activate that. But people who are having this 5 and 6 both in their date of birth, I would say they are little overblessed compared to the people who are not having it. Why? I'll give you a logic. Let's start with number 6. Who owns number 6? Number 6 is owned by the planet called Venus. And we all know nowadays this era is being ruled by Venus, because it has got the most rich portfolio, highest attributes. What are those? It has got glamour, name, fame, luxury, money, career, foreign travel, foreign settlement, your stock market, your childbirth, and so on. Who doesn't want all this? So definitely all these attributes, if 6 comes in your birth chart, all these attributes gets added automatically in your birth chart. So naturally, if you are having number 6 in your birth chart, definitely you get this power of this soul number 6. What is the next soul number? The next soul number is number 5. So let us understand why number 5 is a soul number. If you see the Osho grid on your screen, where is the placement of number 5? It is placed exactly in the middle of the Osho grid. That means what? It gives the balance to the Osho grid as well to your life. So naturally, if 5 is present in your birth chart, it gives you that balance in your date of birth. And if you see, 5 is distancing equal to from all the numbers. Since it's placed in the middle, it's equally distant from all the numbers. That is why it doesn't have any enmity with other numbers. It's friends with all the numbers. It gives supports to all the numbers. So if you have these 2 numbers in your birth chart, number 6, number 5, your birth chart becomes very powerful. And if these 2 numbers are missing from your birth chart, from your date of birth, then your birth chart lose that charm, lose that life, lose that soul. And you can understand, like, somewhere or the other, your relationship sector, your career, your money, your wealth, something or the other will be disbalanced. I'm giving you a very powerful statement. Please relate and comment me below if you relate with me what I'm trying to say. So I'm not saying that there's no you can never fulfill the lack of these 2 numbers, but if those numbers are missing, then definitely you will be having this kind of symptoms in your life. And Now you will say that I don't have 5, I don't have 6, so what do? I'm then out of radar. I'll not get success, I'll not get money, relationship, nothing. No, I'm not saying that. I'll tell you how to activate that, but I'll come to that later. What I'm trying to say is, if you don't have 5, 6, then God has given definitely some other number, some other power to you. You have to identify that and have to work towards it. What that means? What? In my knowledge, no number is bad. Every date of birth is very good. Since God has created, God has given you the date of birth, it has got equal power. So you have to understand and work towards it. Otherwise, you could have been just born as an animal, right? You could have been a human being. You should not. You need not to be a human being in this life. If you are born as a human being, then definitely God has given something to you, and that is hidden. You are not being able to understand. You are not being able to realize it. So please realize that and work towards it. So let me tell you, if for some reason number 5, number 6 is missing from your date of birth, from your birth chart, you have to activate those numbers, and I'll tell you how. Let's come on number 6 first. If number 6 is missing from your date of birth, you have to do 2 things. Simple 2 things. I'll tell you. Number 1, you have to donate white goods, edible goods on every Friday. Let's say flour, rice, milk, paneer, cheese, white clothes. Also, you can do sugar, anything in white. You have to donate on every Friday. To whom? To any disabled. Suppose if you can't find any disabled, then donate it to any beggar or any needy people. So you have to donate white goods on every Friday to needy or beggar or any disabled people. Okay, understood? Now people who are staying in abroad, they will say that, ma'am, I don't have beggars in the street. How do I get beggars? In those cases, you have to go to the nearest temple or Gurudwara and have to participate in Langar. There you donate white things like sugar, salt, atta, milk, cheese, paneer, anything white. You donate there, and thus you can get the blessings of number 6 and can activate number 6. Secondly, you have to wear a watch which is metal strap and golden in color. No leather, no rubber band, nothing. Only golden metal strap. Do it for 6 months and come back to me. I'm sure I can give you guarantee. Your relationship sector, your career sector, your money, everything will be improved. You come and tell me, comment me after that. Now come number 5. How to activate number 5, as in the blessings of number 5? You have to do very simple things. You have to use more and more green color in your life. Let's say you eat more green vegetables, use more green color. Let's say you wear a thread on your wrist, wear a green band on your wrist. If you don't want to wear thread, wear a green band. Okay, eat more and more green vegetables like cucumber. You can have it every day. The cucumber is also green, right? You can have it every day. Then maybe you're going for some interview, for some important meeting. Wear a green shirt if that is possible. Keep a green handkerchief in your pocket, in your bag. Use green pen. Not only ink, I'm talking about the pen. The body of the pen should be also green. Green ink, if you can use it, then very good. Thus, you can improve the absence of number 5 in your birth chart and thus in your life. Again, do it for 6 months and tell me the difference. I'm sure your life, your career, money, your balance in your life will definitely be improved. See, I always give you simple remedies where you don't need to spend money, time, nothing. See, where will you get all these kind of remedies where you don't need to spend money also, time also, then also you get benefited out of it. Try this. I hope you've enjoyed the topic today. Just let me know, comment me on the section that what are the numbers. If you do have soul numbers in your birth chart, if one number is missing, if 2 numbers are missing, and if you have both the numbers, then also you comment and let me know. And also comment that if you want me to do such interesting video in coming days, I'll definitely work on it and do those kind of videos. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.